our project is cloud anomaly detection. To run this project, first you need to open command prompt. The shortcut is cmd. Then you need to type python manage.py run server to run the server. When the server runs, it gives you an IP address. So you need to paste this IP address in any browser. This is our project. About section, service section, contact section. Okay. Now we need to switch to admin panel. Okay. This project has three modules: admin, model builder, and AI monitor. First, you need to log into admin. The credentials are admin and admin. So here admin uploads the dataset. Here are the data stats, data preview, then view users. Here admin can delete the user as well, and you need to log into model builder. So model builder credentials are builder and password also builder. So you can view the stats of dataset which is uploaded by admin. So number of rows and column names, data types of each column, data preview of first 10 rows, null values, duplicate rows, summary, unique values, distribution, analysis, and hourly distribution. Okay. Next, you need to train XGBoost. Accuracy is 99.86% and dataset stats are future importance, confusion matrix, and graph. And you need to train isolation forest, which is our second algorithm. We got 86.21% for isolation forest. These are future importance which differ from XGBoost. This is confusion matrix. This is the graph of future importance. You can compare these models. Next, you need to log into AI monitor. First, you need to register for it. After that, you can log into AI monitor. As I am registered, I can log in directly. So our terminal is not running, so you need to run the logs of server. The logs are successfully running, so you can see it here. This is our system matrix. Here, from here you can monitor the logs. You can filter logs by info, warning, error logs, and critical logs. and you can monitor alerts. We didn't got any alert till now. Let's check. So this is our system metrics: CPU usage percentage, memory usage percentage, disk usage percentage, and network. Okay, and you can predict anomaly. I need to enter metrics: CPU metrics, memory metrics. This is our predicted result, and we didn't got any alert till now. Yeah, we got. So you can update the status, like if it is resolved, it will get deleted from the database. Here is a live detection where you can detect the anomaly based on your logs. Log.